wanted to do just a quick little video today because I ordered some stuff online, Disney stuff obviously, and I also got a couple gifts because my birthday was last week, and I wanted to show you guys some of the really cute stuff that I got. So first things first, if you hear weird noises like this, it's my dogs because they are psychos and they refuse to stay downstairs. So they have finally laid down. Hopefully they'll let me make this video, but just giving y'all a heads up because they don't like to behave. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you will have already seen this, but if you don't, follow me at MickeyWaffles&Mimosas on Instagram. So this is, hold on, I'm really messing up this lighting right now. This is actually from Christmas that Megan hand painted for me. And like, it's just so perfect, guys. I love it. So thank you again, Megan. And again, I'm so sorry for this lighting, but like, look how cute this is. Literally so cute. And shout out to one of my besties, Ashley, because guys, look how cute these are. A little set of stemless wine glasses because you know I love my wine. And this really cute little Mickey plush, which it's like kind of cold in here, so I might just like wrap this around me right now. Okay, so another thing. Like, are you kidding me? Stop focusing on my face and focus on Baby Yoda. Look how cute this cup is. I'm pretty sure in the vlog that I just posted, I was talking about how much I want that mug. So, surprise, I got it. My bank account hates me, but I can't help myself when it comes to Disney merchandise. They know how to get me. It's Baby Yoda. I also just received my order from Magic Candle Company. So I wanted to do like a little unboxing type of thing. Just letting you guys know this is not sponsored. I just really love this brand. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me post about them. They're just amazing. And there's something about like Disney scents that just gives me this like nostalgic feeling. So when I can't be there, I have these. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this bad boy open. Ooh, that was really satisfying actually. Oh my god, smells so good. Like, just, I wish that you guys could smell this right now. And Kai is eating things off the floor. Love my life. Oh, hi bud, he wants to say hi. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump this all out. I got quite a few things. So I got a couple of wax melts. This one is Polynesian, and I'm gonna pull up the descriptions of all of them for you. But Floridian, I have one of these in my car as an air freshener, and holy cow, guys, it is ridiculously amazing. And then I wanted to try Orleans, have never tried this one before. And also Flying Over India, I have never tried before. So the Floridian and Polynesian, I have tried both of, but never in the wax melt form. Polynesian I have in one of their like oils to put in my diffuser, and it's amazing. I think I've pretty much gone through the whole thing already. Okay, so I have these pulled up on my phone so that I can read you the description of the scent itself. So I'm gonna start with Polynesian, which again, I'm really excited to try the wax melt version of this. This scent features nuances of fresh green tea mixed with effervescent citrus top notes and crisp bamboo stalks. This scent just makes me want to go stay at the Polynesian resort. I can't open this. I'm gonna try to smell this right now. Oh my God. Like, it literally smells like I'm walking into the Polynesian, and I love it so much. It actually makes my mouth water because now I'm like, ooh, let's go to Ahana and just eat all the food. So the next one is Floridian, which they do also say on their website, if you get the contemporary scent, it is the same as Floridian. And I think they have a couple on there that have different names but share the same scent, but they will all specify. So if you are worried about getting like a few of the same scents, just check in the description, it'll tell you. This features a watery green floral permeating the air with a bouquet of fresh jasmine, lily of the valley, and ylang, and finishes with a light dust of cedar trimmings. I don't know why, I just could not read that. I tried though. I really tried. Trying to open this one. These are kind of difficult for me to open today. Don't know what's wrong with me. I'm so close. I'm so close. Like, it just, there we go. Something just happened. Something just fell out. Oh, guys. I can't even explain to you what this smells like. It's just so perfect. And it's funny because I don't even remember what the Grand Floridian smells like. I'm assuming it probably does smell like this, but just like, this smells like Disney resorts to me. Like, if someone was like, what do Disney resorts smell like, I'd be like, this is it right here. So next we have Flying Over India, and I have never smelled this one yet, so I'm really excited. Hopefully I'll be able to actually read these words right now. So this fragrance captures the essence of fresh cut roses in full bloom and contains the unmistakable scent of a beautiful rose garden. Which is interesting because I always assumed that on Soarin', when you're flying over India, it's more of a like jasmine scent. But we're gonna smell this baby right now. I'm gonna open it off camera because apparently trying to open it on camera has not been working for me today either. I can't tell what, it just smells like super floral to me. Like, I don't even think it's specifically rose scented. I mean, apparently it is. To me, it doesn't smell specifically rose scented. I almost want to say like gardenia or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put this one in my wax melt to see if I'm gonna like it or not, because I'm not usually a big floral person. I'm worried that it's gonna be too floral for me, but we will find out. Okay, so next we have Orleans. I've never actually been to Port Orleans itself, so I don't know what the hotel smells like, but this scent features a sweet and subtle blend of jasmine, violet, and gardenia with a sparkle of lemon zest on a dry down of vanilla. I think that I'm gonna like this one, even though it still has some floral scent to it. I think that because it has the vanilla in it, I'm gonna like it a lot more than Flying Over India. Let's see if I can open this one. Oh, that one was easy. Oh, I do like this one. It kind of smells like fresh laundry, like a really nice like dryer sheet. I think I'm gonna like that one a lot more than Flying Over India. So I did also get 4 air fresheners for my car. These are all scents that I have not tried yet, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to smell them. I don't wanna, no, I can't smell them. I don't wanna open the packages of these yet because I feel like once I do, they're gonna like lose all their scent. So I'm just gonna read the explanation of them. Okay, so the first car freshener that I got is Skyway. And this one is skillfully blended to capture the true essence of fresh air with notes of mandarin mist, cotton blossom, linden flowers, driftwood, and crisp musk. So it sounded interesting to me. I'm definitely gonna try that one first as soon as my Floridian one goes bad, because I want to keep that one in my car as long as I possibly can. So the next one I got is Splash. And that literally is just notes of damp air and musty bromine water, which sounds kind of gross, but I feel like it's just gonna smell like that classic Disney like water ride. And I'm very, very interested and kind of intrigued to try this one out. And I just want to clarify for anyone who doesn't know, bromine is actually a chemical used to treat the water in Disney. So where most water rides I should say, use chlorine to treat their water, Disney uses bromine. So it has a very specific scent to it, and it is just the epitome of all Disney water rides. I also got Walt's Office. And this one sounded interesting to me. There's kind of a lot going on in this one, but I feel like it's gonna be weirdly like comforting. So this one adds a touch of clove, honey, rose, and violet to a perfectly cured tobacco leaf and contains nuances of vanilla, hay, and benzoin in the base notes. I don't even know what benzoin is. Benzoin? I don't know what that is. I don't know. I just wanted to try it, honestly. I feel like it would be a good car scent. Last but definitely not least, I actually have really high expectations for this one, Castaway Cruise. I haven't been on a Disney cruise since I was probably 6 or 7 years old, so I'm hoping it'll just bring back some like weird memories that I like have gotten lost in my brain. But this one is smooth and elegant blend of soft floral notes with salty highlights. You'll also find crisp ozonic notes of sea salt and a calming touch of jasmine and sweet cream. So I feel like it literally is just gonna smell like what I imagined the Disney Cruise Line to smell like. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to do like a quick little review, and I'm really hoping that I end up loving all of these little car fresheners. I wish that I could open them up. Like I just want to literally rip them open right now to smell them, but I can't. So if you guys are interested, I will link the website down below for Magic Candle Company. Again, this is not sponsored. I just am obsessed with everything that I've tried from them, and they're really inexpensive too, which is nice because like I want to be able to have my Disney magic on a budget. So shout out to them for being awesome. So thank you guys again for watching. If you don't already, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at MickeyWaffles&Mimosas. That way you can see all of the fun pictures that I take on my vacations, as well as subscribe to my channel so that you can follow along on all of the vlogs. And have a great night. Don't judge me. This whole thing already smells so, oh my god, my face. Sissy is filming. Can you go lay down, please? Thank you. I don't know if you guys can see him in this little corner right here, but like he will not lay down. He just wants to be nosy and see. Hi, you want to be nosy and see what I'm doing? Son, send help. He's, guys, are you kidding me? Can you stop? Fresh jasmine, lily, and the valley. I read that so wrong. This features a watery green floral permeating the air with, oh, what's wrong with me? Totally hit myself in the face with that. It's definitely like on my face now. I'm gonna smell that for the rest of the day. And then I did also get 4 different air fresheners for my car. I can't, hold on, struggling. really struggling right now. These are all scents that I have not tried yet. So Max probably smells like leathery and like office. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just gonna crop this out like 2 minutes ago. This is what I imagine it smelling like, which is why it's named after it. I'm just coming up with some weird, I don't know what I'm talking about today. I'm gonna end this clip.